So I have this confusing class, a reference to an accident, and it's using triangulation. It's giving me two reporting points, reporting point 2, reporting point 3. Reporting point 2 is in north direction, reporting point 3 is in a south direction, and then it gives me this measurement in feet. How many feet? It says 67 feet. It doesn't say like a zero for direction or whatever. It had me confused. So it's 67 feet north and 47 feet south. And then the little diagram, this would be reporting point 3, so it would be south of here. And this is reporting point 2, and it would be north of here. And I got very confused, and maybe you do too. So I'll help you out real quick, and I'll give you the deal. So triangulation is dependent on 2 points. You have 2 points of point 1, RP1, and reporting point 3. You have to essentially put a line between those points. And what you have to decide is that if this is north, then you're going to have 0 degrees, and then you're going to have 90 degrees. Oh, strike that, right? Strike that. 180 degrees, 360 in a circle, at least in this world, right? So that means your direction here is going to be 90 degrees. 0, 90, third of that, this direction. So when it tells you 67.25 feet, that's not your feet. Forget feet. That's your direction, your degrees. So we're going to have to go 67.25 degrees north. So you go this way, and then you set your compass to 67.25 feet if you're drawing to scale. And then what you do is strike an arc with your compass. So you have diameters, you have radius, which is half, and then out of your half you have an arc. This would be northwest, this would be northeast, right? If I did it the other way, like this, and I struck an arc, that would be north. Which one is more south? South, west, east, yada yada. Anyway, other direction, 47 degrees south. What that means is south is 0, just like your north was 0. That means your 90's here, your 180's there, always going a clock, 360's here. 0, 90, straight out is 60. This one at 47, it's a little bit this way. So what you have to do is set your compass again to scale, come out 47 degrees. Then what you're going to do is strike an arc. At some point your arcs are going to connect, and that is, whoops, beep beep, VOT. That is your point of triangulation. It's where your two arcs come together. That is the spot it's looking for. So going back to my diagram of these 67, 45, blah blah blah, what it wanted me to do was find a point south of here and north of here where a witness was standing, which ends up being where this little what the fuck is, because this is where the witness is, which would have been south from here if I struck an arc, and it would have been north from here if I struck an arc, and that's where the little witness would have been standing. If that makes sense, hope it does. Couldn't find shit on it. That's all I can give you on it. That's life.